start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to do another set of nails using these solid cream gel polishes from Modelones. I've already done a video on these, unboxing them properly. Look at these guys. So they're like an old record player, and the colour cube is a vinyl record. I had so much fun the first time I used these. Look at all the colours in there. Loads of them. So you also get a little brush. Just a little rounded gel brush, and the lid is like the handle. You clip the lid onto the back of the brush. And yeah, it's just a little rounded gel brush. I have already got a couple of those brushes open, so I'm not going to use a fresh one. So this one is called Cozy Wonder. They've got quite a few of these different colour combos. I've got two. This one's called Sweet Dream. And there's some thermal ones in here. I found out today which was thermal. And that one there's thermal. I didn't know when I first used it. But yep, that one's thermal. I put it in the lamp and it came out a completely different colour. There's a few thermal colour changing ones. And these four at the top there that I'm pointing to are jellies. Jelly colours. So I'm going to use a mixture of both of these today. So I'm just going to give these nails a nice thin, even coat of base coat. And cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to get my base colours down. So I'm using the Sweet Dream palette. And I'm going to use this kind of a dark nude. It's a pale brown or a dark nude, whatever you want to call it. And this is going to go on the pointer and the pinky. I'm going to do just two really thin coats. I will just show you doing this one nail. Really thin coat. Cured that for 30 seconds. And now I'm giving it a second coat. Again, really thin coat. These solid gels are brilliant. If you've got shaky hands, or if you're using your left hand, non-dominant hand, they will not flood your cuticles. They'll only go where you put them. So they're really good for that. So the middle two nails, again, I'm just going to do two thin coats. This is a nice colour. I've got this colour in a gel polish and I love it. I use it quite a lot. So I'll let you watch for a sec. So that's my base colours down. Now I'm going to use this. It's like a deep burnt orange, I'd say. And it's got a little, like a fine glitter in it. So I'm just painting about the bottom third. And then I'm just going to use an ombre brush and just really, really light touches. Just using the tippy tips of the bristles. And I'm just feathering it up. Doing like a bit of an ombre. Really, really easy way to do an ombre. I'm going to cue that for 30 seconds. Watch this, guys. It came out the lamp, look. It's gone yellow. I was so lucky because it still kind of looked alright. I was so lucky it didn't change to bloody blue or green or something. So I carried on. I thought, yeah, either way, it looks alright. So I'm just going to do a second layer. And I'm going to do the same on the pinky as well. So that's both of them done. Look at the colour change. Isn't it crazy? I like it though. And then look, now they've gone cold again. It's gone to that deep burnt orange. So I'm giving these a quick matte top coat. I do want these nails glossy, but because I'm painting on them, I like to paint on a matte. So quick matte top coat on these middle nails. And I've cured that for 30 seconds. And on this middle nail, I want to paint a diamond. So I'm going to do a cross just so that I can get my lines kind of the same length and nice and straight. So doing a cross like that, I'm just going to join them crosses up now and then colour in the centre. yeah, it just helps, I think, get that across. And then once I've coloured it in, I'll go in and neaten it up then and get them lines really nice and straight and crisp. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to do the same again underneath, but I'm using, if you notice, this colour is what I've used on the pointer and the pinky, and I'm going to use that burnt orange glitter on the bottom one. So exactly the same, just with the glittery colour. So this is that thermal colour changing. It's a little bit, it's not sheer, I wouldn't say it's sheer, but I wanted a little bit more glitter in it. There wasn't a right lot of glitter, so I do give this a second coat off camera. I just felt like you couldn't see much glitter, so I do faff with this nail quite a bit to just try and space some of them little bits of glitter evenly spread. So that's that all cured. I'm using just a nice generous layer of glossy top coat because I did 2 layers of that glittery gel. It's quite raised and I needed it to be ultra smooth and even. So a quick glossy top coat, and I've gave them a nice buff because when you're doing straight lines, the surface needs to be flat or else your lines will be wibbly wobbly. So I'm just gonna put a cross through both of these diamonds. Yeah, it's just a cross and they're joined up in the middle. This gold gel paint is Madame Glam's gold gel paint. It's absolutely stunning gel paint, super sparkly, jam-packed full of sparkliness. You only need just one swipe. Look at that, I love it. Right, and on these 2 nails, the pointer and the pinky, I'm just doing half a kind of French tip, but just the outline like that, and I'm going to stick them in the lamp as well for 60 seconds. So this is where we're at. I've done that pinky now. On the tip of this this ring finger, I'm doing a pumpkin. So I'm just going to do the outline in the gold. I was just going to leave it as a gold outline, but then I decided to colour it in. You'll see me colour it in a minute. It's really easy design to do. Just the outline of the pumpkin. I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to colour it in with that burnt orange glittery colour. And I just think it makes it look so much better coloured in. So I will let you watch for a second. So I'm just going to get these top coated now. I'm using Modelones glossy top coat. Get them all top coated, and I'm going to add a few rhinestones on as well, and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys, that is then finished. I think I do prefer them in the burnt orange like this, the deep dark burnt orange. I really like that. But the other colour's not so bad either, the light yellow that it changes when it's warm. I really like them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave at the end clickable video of the last design I did using these colour cubes, where I unboxed them and explained a little bit more about them. Any discount codes and links will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up guys, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.